Hey Pisces, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of June. I hope everybody's been doing great. So this is going to be your love reading for the month of May. Please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So, also, before I jump into your reading, you know I have to say thank you guys for all the likes, the shares, the comments, subscriptions, the personal readings. I love each and every one of you guys. Alright. This goes back to what I was saying in the beginning. If this is somebody new coming in, I want you guys to go very slow. Go slow. Don't rush into... I can't even talk. Sorry, y'all. Don't rush into anything. Take your time. Really get to know this person. For those that this is somebody from the past trying to come back, if they have not reached out to you, they will, but they're taking their time. So let's see. All right, Spirit, what's going on, my Pisces? Alright, so somebody doesn't have a happy home. They're not happy in some type of home, living situation. Clarify. Yeah, and they're trying to make a decision right now. Tell me more. Yeah, this person feels like you're not going to take the offer and they can't sleep. The way that just came out, it's like I feel like they tried to move on. They were trying not to think about it, not worry about it. They tried to move into whatever direction this was. And that's why they want your forgiveness, because they're realizing they made a big mistake. They can't help but to think about this. Tell me more. Yeah, didn't I just say this person tried to move on, not look back, not think about this, but they messed up. Somebody could have been, like I said, if they don't have a family with someone else, it could have been family involved. But whatever it was, they messed up. And that's why they want your forgiveness. See, they ended up making a decision. See, they want to balance things out with you. Okay. I just caught my eye. 11, 11, 11. This person is coming back to turn things around. Okay. But they're moving slow. They're back and forth with the Ten of Pentacles. Okay. So, whatever this situation here is, family, living situation, whatever it is, they're going through something when it pertains to finances. So, they could be giving to someone else, like, you know, a family member, helping them out, you know, with bills or whatever the case is. Or even if that's not the case, it could be like a love interest, but there's something going on and they're not happy and they're not content with their money. And yes, they want to be with you, but they feel like they got to take care of this other situation first. And so they're going to make a decision. Tell me about the Queen of Wands. Let me see something. Okay, they look at you guys, you're the go-getter. You know, you're positive, you're all about action, and this person, they have to come out of being frustrated about what they've done. But see, the way the Knight of Wands came out, they were being inconsistent with you because of this other situation that they put themselves in. And this is why there's a lot of regret. This is why they want your forgiveness. They want to say something to you, but they're afraid. They are. I'm going to say a lot to y'all. See? They want things to improve, but they left you out in the cold. Some type of family situation, home situation. There's something going on here. And that's why they've been isolating themselves. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo. See, yeah, they can't move forward with you just yet. They're going through a karmic lesson. Yeah, somebody, I feel like, yes, they want to be in a relationship and a commitment with you, but this person could be in some type of relationship or committed to someone else, you know, and that's why they can't. And see, they're going to have to communicate this to you. Tell me more. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus. Somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius. See, they want to balance things out. I know for a fact this person wants to be with you, but they got to get out of this other situation first. That's the problem. See, family. It's a family situation. Tried to jump out of my hands. Oh, my gosh. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo. This is why they don't have the strength to come just yet. See, they're not happy in their situation, and they want to come back and give you the offer. Good Lord. Y'all, what the? Hold on, y'all. That's a lot. I'll put my deck down. We got, someone said keep it. So, Lord, I got to look at it. Okay, hold on, y'all. We got to figure this out. Okay. Oh, this is interesting. So, This person, I told you, it's like they're not happy right now, right? And they're going to come back and give you the stable offer that you deserve. But, okay, let me see how I want to do this. They're saying that they're not listening to their intuition. And they're not confident. Even though, yes, you're going to get an apology from them. But the reason why they're not confident is because in the past, they were being sneaky. So they know that you couldn't trust them. That's why they were inconsistent. They probably were being a player for some of you guys, you know. And yes, they want to balance things out with you, but they were giving to somebody else, whether it's friends, family, or a love interest. So I'm seeing that they're going to have to make the decision to get out of their head and remove themselves from this third-party situation, which they will. But in doing so, they're afraid they're not going to have a new beginning with you. Okay. See? That's what worries them. That's what worries them. Because they hurt you. They know that they hurt you guys. They feel like you're still upset with them. Somebody could be dealing with the Cancer, but this is why they're not moving forward. See, there's another woman here. I told y'all, it's like it's either a family member for some of you. It could have been a friend. It could have been a love interest. There's somebody else here that's in the way. And what is this woman doing? She's holding on to this coin. And this is the problem. See, that's why Page of Wands crossed her. So this is basically stating that the seeds that this person planted with you, they wanted to grow. But it didn't grow because of this other person. Well, damn. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I got 3 different women. So what the hell? Like, what is this? That's why they're afraid you're not gonna take the offer. Okay, somebody was playing. So this could be your person was dealing with. Lord, this is gonna be interesting. We doing this today, y'all. Okay, so for real. I have 3 different women here. Y'all already know about my court cards. It could be 3 different men. Take it however it fits. But somebody could have been dealing with, 3 different people, like love interest-wise, right? If it's not the case, this could be you, them dealing with you and 2 other family members. This could be a family member, you, and a friend. It could be 2, you know what I'm saying? It could be whatever. But there are 3 women here. It could be 3 men. This was the problem. See, this is why this person couldn't bring stability to the situation. Somebody was dealing with an Aries. See, they were juggling. Yeah, somebody was juggling. Couldn't make up their mind what they wanted to do. And see, now they're not confused. They know what they want, but the thing is they're just taking their time to give you this offer. Clarify? I told you, they want things to improve with you. You notice how things keep landing on top of the Queen of Cups. It's like they want to be with you, but see, they were playing around. They're going to come back and give you a small offer because they don't want you to cut them off. But the problem is they're not free yet. They don't have a peace of mind. See, they don't feel like they're going to be able to have a new beginning with you, Pisces. I had another 3 jump out because of the third party. Because of the third party situation that they put you in. See, they repeatedly kept stabbing you in the back. Okay. Didn't I just say another 3 try to jump out? Look at that. I have 2 3s. I told you. This third party situation is why this person is afraid you're not going to take them back. And I'm saying that they want to start over. They want to build with you. They're hoping that things can improve. But see, they're not positive if that's going to actually happen. Because see, I'm telling you, they're going to free themselves from a situation. They're going to get out of their head. And they're going to speak up. Because I'm seeing an offer coming in. But there's the devil. Why's the devil here? Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. They afraid? Yep. They are afraid. But they're going to come out of being afraid. Because at one point, they were scared that they lost you for good. And they're going to put in the work to win you back. But right now, they're not taking the leap. Because somebody is trying to put an end to another situation in order for them to speak their truth to you. Could be dealing with a Scorpio. See, I told you. It's like they're going to put an end to the situation that they're in. But they're afraid that if they speak their truth, you're going to let them go. So they're back and forth with justice. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. Why is justice here? Let them speaking their truth. Yeah, they're afraid they're not going to have a new opportunity with you. That's why they're dragging their feet. Somebody could be in the middle of going through something, and this is why they're afraid to give you this offer, because I'm telling you, you're going to turn it down, or that's what they're thinking. That's why there's little to no communication. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius. But they're sad. They're regretting everything. Yeah, see, it's family. Look at that. 2 6s. It's a family situation here. And somebody's going to take a loss. They're afraid that they're not going to have a victory with you. Look at that. 10 of Cups laying on top of the 10 of Wands. Reverse. They're going to put an ending to some type of family situation because ultimately they want to be with you. But see, due to family, I don't even like where that landed because then it was 666. And I know what the angel number represents, but it's another meaning to it as well, which isn't, I hate saying it's not bad, but whatever. When I see that, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, that gives me a vibe where whoever this other person that I'm picking up on, that third party energy, I ain't gonna lie to you, I feel like somebody could have been doing something spiritually. There could have been spell work or magic that was done for some of you, and that's what caused an imbalance in this relationship. Let's see. Somebody could have been dealing with a Gemini. Yeah, this person, they're keeping quiet right now, and they're frustrated about, I feel like, about their money, about their, it's like they can't help but to think like, why did I do this? Why did I say this? How did I get myself into this? I had him or her waiting. And it's like they don't want you to walk away, but they're afraid that you are, the way that just came out. See, they're going through a tower moment when it comes to family. They're going through it right now, guys. But they know they're going to have to move fast. Look at that, and remove themselves from a third party. All right, let's see. Let's get y'all some advice. Okay, Spirit. So, bottom of the deck, Knight of Pentacles. Go slow. Maybe some of you guys are feeling like this person is moving way too slow for you. Yeah, you're frustrated. You're frustrated because you feel like you lost them. So, you had to move on. And you got out of being frustrated about it because you felt like at this point things weren't going to turn around and work in your favor. So I'm seeing that you guys came out of this energy of regret, sadness, sorrow. You're like, nope, I'm not doing this anymore. Because now, even at one point, yeah, you were frustrated that you may have lost this person. You're like, nope, I have to focus on me. And that's where things will balance out in your life. And you're realizing you're not going to have a new beginning with them because they're not putting in the work. And you're like, you know what? If they don't put in the work, I'm no longer reaching out. I'm not putting in the work. And so by you doing that, you have a new opportunity coming in for you. But the way the 10 of Pentacles came out, it's like you're not content with how things played out between you two. But I see you focusing on yourself, your finances. Money's going to be looking really good for you. But this could also be love coming in. Yeah, you guys are really confident now. You know, it's like you're confident in the situation between you and this other individual. You're like, you know what? I had to make this judgment call. I had to make this decision in order to move on because, you know, they continuously put me in third-party situations by being a player. You know, they continuously broke my heart. And at the end of the day, I want happiness. I want happiness coming into my life. And guess what? You're now listening to your intuition. Okay. Ooh. Let me try some out. Let's see. Yep, you no longer are putting any energy into this situation anymore. And I'm seeing somebody's coming in. Yep, somebody's going to be really confident. And you guys are realizing, you know what? Even if this is representing you, saying that you're confident in this now, in a situation about what you need to do, you're like, you know what? I want my wish to come true. I just want love in my life, but I want it to be with the right person. So if this person can't get it together, I'm going to move on. But right now, I'm just focusing on myself. And see, you guys are coming out of your head. You're no longer afraid of making a decision, and you removed yourself from this toxic situation. See, you guys had the strength to move on. So yeah, you guys are leaving this person alone. Whether or not you end back up with them, but yeah, from what I'm seeing, nope, not at all. Alright, Pisces, so that was your reading. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave me some comments. Let me know if it resonates.